So in this video, we're going to be going over a YouTuber named Travis White, guys. So first off, there's a lot of things about this YouTuber, okay? First thing is they're verified. I'm not sure if they actually got verified. I highly doubt it. If they did, YouTube, you need to step up your game. Second thing is, this is more than likely, I don't know for sure, but this is more than likely somebody who purchased a channel, right? This guy right here purchased this channel. And why I say that is, well, for a lot of reasons. So first off, the videos they make, as you can see, is they're fake. I'll go in through some videos, but they're all like injections and all that kind of stuff, which is fake. Don't follow these videos. You're going to be doing nothing but actually supporting this guy, like making him money because you're clicking on like these ads and downloading these apps, which are never real. Like anybody who actually knows anything about this stuff is like literally knows this is all fake. And it's just kind of a shame. Like you bought a YouTube channel with this much subscribers, who does have decent like amount of views. Like why don't you make like legit videos? Like why are you making like these fake videos? So this guy, I guess, is like the actual guy who brought the channel because I couldn't find like his Google image anywhere, and like he's also in the videos himself. So, I unless like he's like copying videos, this is like the actual like guy because he's in all these videos. But if you actually take a look at this channel for a couple minutes, you're gonna see that yeah, this is 100% fake because if you scroll down after like 5 months, right, you're gonna see they're 5 months to 1 year. So this was the original creator who actually got all of the subscribers, and it was actually as you can see, an Arabic channel, right? You can see these all Arabic languages, all Arabic, text and all that. I think it's Arabic. And you keep scrolling down, and these are all Arabic videos, right? If we do, so 813 videos total, right? And how much videos are actually of this guy? There's 841 videos total. What is it? 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 23 videos made by this guy, starting from 5 months ago. So this guy brought this channel 5 months ago, and he's been making these fake tutorials videos. First off, I don't think I think it's against YouTube's terms, if I'm not like incorrect, to buy a YouTube channel. So first off, he's already did that alone. He should be getting terminated. Second off, the videos he's making alone, these are fake videos, and the fact that he's getting like paid stuff for free, this is illegal stuff. Like you can't be getting trying people to get games for free. You know these terms do not work and they're fake. So there's a lot. It being fake itself, his channel should be terminated. These videos should be terminated, and his whole channel should be terminated. And the second thing is these are fake tutorials and these are illegal stuff. So between all that kind of stuff and him buying the YouTube channel, obviously it's not the same person, which I'm going to show you. You can see that this guy speaks English, has a different accent, different voice than the person who was all the way down here and speaks a different language. There's no other proof that this is not the same person. But still, like, this channel needs to be terminated, and how it's not blows my mind. So this channel probably costs a good amount of money. Obviously, that's why they're still making videos and they're, editing the thumbnails and all that kind of stuff, because a channel like this is not going to be like free unless they hacked it or sold it. So you can see this person gave up obviously by looking at 5 months ago to a year ago, totally different content, right? And if you actually go over to the like videos and go to popular, all these videos, how the channel blew up, 8.9 million, 9 million views, 8 million, 5 million, 5 million views. This is all in Arabic. Like this is all not even in English. Like all these videos are literally from the old creator. So that's a little weird. And then first off, we go to let's go to oldest, obviously all Arabic, okay. And then we go to channels, nothing here, which doesn't surprise me. Go to community, and then look at this, a channel for almost 2 million subscribers, 10 likes. This is also like old stuff, like with the Arabic channel. So this channel's already dying. That's why the original Pi guy sold it, because the channel was dying. 10 likes, 11 likes, 4 likes, 11, 4, 13. Keeps going down. 9, 3, 5. How do you have 1,000 views? That's different. That's different channel. Like, how do you have a channel with 2 million subscribers and your community posts are getting less than 10 likes? Like these posts should be getting at least like thousands of likes. Like at least 1,000 likes. Like they're barely hitting 20 likes. Most of them don't even hit 20 likes. Like 6 likes, 18, 8, 7, 29, 21, 26, 19. That's sad. Like there's channels that have like 20,000, 30,000 subscribers that are getting more likes in this channel. So obviously something's up, right? Third thing is I couldn't find image search, like I said, in this guy, so he's probably the guy actually that brought the channel, since he's also in all the videos. But look at the thumbnails. Like you can tell. Let's go to actually videos. let's see, this one, right? This one. Reuses the same exact thumbnails for like a lot of his videos, so it's just being like lazy too. Before I actually get into the video, also the background is this actually his dog? Huh. This is an article on sausage dogs may have been made to fight bears in ancient Rome's Colosseum. Archaeologists say, sorry, it's a tough word. Same exact dog. Also, no website. Same exact dog from a Shutterstock. So this is a picture that he stole or pretty much took from somewhere else to upload here. So I'm his real dog. Like, that's pathetic. So lastly, I just want to show you guys the videos, okay? We'll click on this one. Any of them, right?
Do you guys want to pay
Blow play $70. So what he's gonna show you to do, right? Like this in all his videos, is he's gonna have you go down to a fake website and think you're actually getting like it for free by downloading apps, but you're really just giving him ad money because you go through his link, right? His website, whatever. You click on this, right? Oh, look how fake this website looks. Devil coupons. That. And then you click on it, right? You show game code, and then of course you have to download. You get the free game code. You have to download. Oh wow, his video's right there. How funny is that? So these are all like his videos, right? So you're trying to get more to watch more of his videos, get click rate, get more ad revenue, and to download these apps that he's probably, if you download a certain amount of apps using his link, you're getting him money and views and advertisements. So that's what he does. Download 3 apps. Oh, and then download 3 apps, and then automatically you pretty much relaunch the website. And then after you download 3 apps, you have to do certain things in the apps that he tells you to do, which is like getting him money and all that. So download it, complete level 8 to unlock that. These are all fake, guys. Do not do this. You're wasting your time and making him extra money, whatever. And then once you do that, you relaunch the app, you go over to something, you click onto it. So you see he stopped the video because it's fake, and it's just he puts in a random code here, and oh look, you get the code. So it's fake. Alright, which is pathetic. And if you go to any of these videos that he made, they're all fake. Wow, Monopoly Go hack. All this free rolls and cash. Let's see this one.
Hey YouTube, in today's video.
Okay, so let's see. All right, what do you go to? Some scammy website, right? Let's see. The website's not even here. And then also the comments like are like there you go. He actually comments them out, like he actually like thank you. Good job. Okay, he actually like you can see like these are all fake comments. Like he generates fake comments that say this works when it really does not work. These are all fake comments, guys. Thank you for Mission Friday. Great. This is a nice tutorial. Thank you so much. This video is full of excellent information. Thanks. Like, these aren't like legit comments. Like you could tell when someone's legit. Like you don't have exact spelling. It's very clear, informative. Like nobody writes this stuff. Great. Yeah, they're all common. Like all related. Like the way they're written is like very. It's really similar to how. Good. Oh, it's great. And they're all exactly around the same time, which is weird. 3 months. And they all say the same thing, not like, there will be random comments, right? But these are all like saying the same thing. Good tips. It works. It's legit. And it's not. Like, you have all these comments exactly 3 months ago, right? Not one of them is from further than 3 months. So all the comments, like what this guy said, which I'm surprised he actually didn't delete it. He would actually delete this. Let's see what the comments say. Sure is. These are all real comments. Facts. I kept downloading stuff. Yeah, because it's fake. So, you have to go over to a website. Oh, there you go. Go over to the app. What do you do? Oh. You go some BS. You go your general. You have to go over to, background app refresh. Turn off. Turn back on. Let's see.
Simply go ahead and actually install the. Now what we're going to do is
you go to background app refresh. There's nothing to do with it. Oh, let's see where you go.
To google.com, and you can visit whatever Google you want, but I like google.com. Yeah, anyway. So once you're on google.com, we're going to type in this, and you want to follow exactly what I'm doing right here, so it's very important. So type in this, VIP for very important person, because this is a free VIP plugin. I'm going to show you now.
Explain it, which is stupid. Come on, let's see what the website is. VIP. There you go. VIPplugin.com.
The VIP plugin. And this is going to take it here from VIP plugin, and of course they're all for free. So go to the search.
These are all fake apps, guys. This is a fake website.
And type in Monopoly, so Monopoly, and then you're going to see.
He's not even like doing this I don't think he's even. Maybe he's doing it once. I don't even know. I think he's doing off a screen recording. I don't know if this is in his video, like he's even doing this right now.
It should look like this, and then what you're going to do is press start install, and that's going to begin to
install more apps to get this to work. Anything where you see they have to install apps to actually like get a hack does not work. Nothing like that works. Like these are all fake tutorials. And how they have these lights, it's all brought. It's all fake.
Now there's going to be a YouTube tutorial.
It's on the plugin. Plugins are never. These are all fake, guys. Don't ever do a plugin. These do not work. And then
I've already done this before, but once you guys open back,
which is weird, right? So let's see what happened, right?
And you need a couple of them to actually install the plugin. So that's going to take you there on the next page. As you guys can see,
so as you can see, it was still loading when we went out of it. It's there to fake make you believe like something's going on. Like it's like, oh, it's loading the plugin. Nothing's happening. It's just a loading screen, just to make you think it's doing something when it's not.
I've already got some of them here, like Family on Facts, Evertail. I've already done this before, but once you guys open back up into the game, you're obviously going to see all your cash skyrocket, and of course you're going to...
All he did, see how he launched? See that? Guys, you see that? Look at that skin. See how he doesn't click on the app to open it up?
All your cash skyrocket, and of course you're going to have an unlimited...
It goes right to this screen.
...of dice rolls to play on Monopoly.
Which is a hacked version of Monopoly.
So if that's something that really sounds good, give this video a thumbs up if it worked for you. Leave a comment if you need any help, and I'll be sure to...
Also, there's no proof of him actually hacking anything or it being on his phone or anything like that.
Help out every single person in the comment section.
The videos, he's probably taking videos online. If not, he's downloading it a different way hacked. Which I mean, this is even his device. Like, this is probably him just taking a video or him, like, modifying the values that doesn't actually take effect, because I don't think you can hack this game because it's a server game. So like that's why you don't see him actually doing any hacks, because it doesn't work. It's fake.
Thanks so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.
Wow. And somehow this guy still has a channel. Like, why isn't this guy's channel deleted?
Up YouTube, welcome back. So I have just found some...
Autoclicker's definitely fake.
Hello. They've got so
there you go. There's a fake website.
many differences.
Okay, how do you do this? Let me guess. You have to click unlock code, and you have to go through the whole download the app process. Oh, there it is. Please install 2 to 3 free apps or offers to below to unlock your coupon. It's all fake, guys. There you go. Video. Oh, 4 months, 4 months, 4 months. These are all from 4 months ago. It's so sad. Like, they generate these fake. Wow. You would think there'd be video, like, comments from 2 months ago, 1 month ago, a couple days ago. These are all 4 months ago. All of them are 4 months ago. Say the same thing. Amazing video. Good video. Thanks. Next tutorial. It works. It's perfectly fine. You did pretty good at filling the comments with bots. Amount of fake comments. How these two the only ones liked out of like all of these. Yes, this is fake. I am the only one with a real account. These accounts are bots. Here you guys go. These are fake. Let's get this person off YouTube. This is just awful. Scam people. I don't know why this is even still on YouTube. Peace.